He doesn't know the basics of English grammar.
He does not know the basics of English grammar. Very funny, So today in this video, I would like to teach you the verb do and its various forms. The verb do is used in present tense. For example, I do my work. They do the work. We do our work. You do your work. So here we can see that the verb do acts as a main verb. So what about does? Does is another version or another form of do. For example, he does his work, she does her work, it does its work, Ramu does his work, like that. So when we use do, we should not use I does. It's wrong. When we use he, we should use he does. So I, they, we, you, plural, we have to use do. Otherwise our sentence structure will be wrong. I have seen many students committing such kind of mistakes. So when we use do, we should understand that the verb do is used in present tense. I do my homework, they do their homework. Such a kind of sentences we use in our day-to-day life. So when we use do, we have to understand that it has some functions to perform. So main verb is I do, they do, we do, she does, like that. So what about the past tense? Past tense is did. I did my work, they did their work, he did his work. So in that case, we can see that did is used for talking about past condition. Here we don't mind pronoun or noun, but whether it is I, they, you, he, she, that verb must be did. When it comes to does and do, I do, she does. But what about the did? No problem. I did, they did. So what about the last form? V3 or final form, done. Yes. Example is I have done, she has done. Look at the change. She has done. In my video, I have already talked about that. She has done, I have done, they have done, like that. Don't say I has done. Wrong. So you have to use I have done, they have done, he has done, like that. So you should be very careful about using this do, does and did. Otherwise our sentence will be entirely wrong. So dear students, when we write and speak, we must be very careful about using this do and does in a proper way. So in my next classes, I'll be coming up with many grammar rules and other forms. Thank you.